Hello.
Hello everyone, this is Gia.
Hey, stop doing that. Okay, let's go.
Guys.
Let's get some wood.
My mood. Me mood. Wow. Okay, never mind. Okay, I give up.
Okay, I'm gonna get my wood, my own wood. Bye guys. Get the
Wait.
taller wood.
What happened to
I'm going to make first
Wait,
the crafting
settings.
table.
I have to do something.
something?
There's something wrong.
Something.
I said something. That's
Oh,
something.
something. Wait, me too. Settings.
Oh, something.
Shut up.
Okay, gonna that's it.
Can someone get some food?
I have no. I'm just still chopping wood.
Then I'll do it.
Okay. With your hands here. Oh, with your own hands.
Wait, let me plant the tree. Like I always do. Plant the tree. And the one.
What's this for normal tree? There's no tree here.
Right? That's not true. Also, we have oxygen.
Oxygen.
Around here.
I said if there's no tree, no oxygen.
Get some a lot of wood to make some house. Okay, guys?
I got
Problem.
what?
What?
I fell in the cave.
I got
Where are you?
I have a
And
knife.
now, I escaped. Yay.
Okay, never mind.
Creeper the gamer have 9 wood. Gonna need more
Can I
wood.
pick up now? I want to pick.
Whatever you want.
I want to pick this now.
Let me kill you.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Kill the chicken.
Let me do it. It's mine.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay. That's where you fell on.
Dian, you're the most lovable. You're the most beautiful. Dian, wait. I have to tell you something of the people. You're the most fun of the horses. The biggest fun of the horses.
That's true. Oh yeah, that's true.
Hello.
Yes,
Don't kill the horse.
Ako.
Don't kill the horse. Kill.
WWE.
Hey, stop. Stop. Make some house. Let's build over here. There you go. It's all yours. Yeah. I give you my. Gian, get back here. Get over here.
Get over here.
I'm to get the I'm gonna kill the going. Okay. Destroy. Wait. Why we are not going to the ocean? We can see the ocean, we cannot go there. Get some cobblestone. I'm coming. Yes. Where are you?
I'm just mining some cobblestone.
Yay! Oh, over. Sorry.
Okay, I'm done to be some.
I am so hungry I can't now even sprint.
I'm still
Then don't sprint.
hungry. I'm still full.
Make some house. I'm going to make some house.
Oh,
We're gonna live together.
but I have the different. Then we have a family then. Actually, we have a family then. Family together.
Can you destroy the dirt? Yan. Yes. And here too.
Anybody build a family?
Eh? Don't break anymore. Say don't stop. Okay, it's going to go get some sheep so we'll get you and make them. Too small. You cannot fit to them. Gian, do you have a sword? Wood. No. You're dead. Wow. Okay, I see a skeleton, two skeleton with other one holding gold helmet armor and it's enchanted. Stay away. Yeah. Oh no. I'm coming. Up. Oh my god. Hey, retreat. Gian, retreat. Don't. Run.
You go. Woo!
Gian, your wood. Oh, oh, there's a zombie. There's a
Take a
zombie.
day.
There's a zombie. There's a zombie. Your wood, Gian, Gian.
Anybody have the stick? Because I'm going to make a bed stone too. Now I'm hungry again. I get no sleep. Now I'll kill you for this one. I have only 3.
Eat the rotten flesh. The rotten flesh.
No choice, brother. Jomer, eat the rotten flesh. I don't have rotten flesh. I just got Robbie.
Get some
oh my God!
Get
Oh
some
my
oak
God.
wood.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Get your stuff, Gian.
Did you get 8 one? Okay, okay. Bye 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 bye. Have to eat this. Wait, I get your cobblestone. Here's your cobblestone. I got 19 cobblestone. And 19 cobblestone. 90. Back on track. And I gave me my crafting table.
Get some oak wood, please. Then go together. Here is some. Get some dark spruce wood and oak wood, please. Put in the house. That's what I said. Put in the house. And kill the zombie. Okay, get back on track. I got distracted by you.
Can
Get some oak wood, not spruce. I'm going where? Don't go near the house.
And what the? Oh, oh, oh. Kill the creeper. Kill the creeper. Emily. Yeah, Emily, dude. Down, creeper. Yeah. Some creeper.
Do you have some oak wood? It didn't work. Oh, here's some stone. Yay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Please scream. No. No. Mistake was a mistake by you. Can you give me that oak wood? I'm going to make something. Later it's still
Okay, let's go, 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 go,
I
go, go,
see
go,
a
go, go.
floating.
Jom, may
Okay, bye-bye. See you later, then.
I have food. Jom, I have food.
In the finance.
Give me that. In the finance, and you want more. I'm Jomar. My name is Jomar, and they call me Homer. They
You're
call
the
me.
Homer. You're the
Bad.
Homer.
Oh my God!
Eat.
Oh yeah, I got one. Oh, food. Wow, what a great souvenir!
Not a souvenir.
Another grove. Another grove. What? Oh my God! Oh my God! That tree jump scare me. Oh my God!
Yes.
That tree jump scare me.
Get some oak wood.
Oh, brother, yes. That tree jump scare me. That's what general tree. Ow! Sorry. Ah! Give me this, please. This is so much.
Hey Jomer. Hey, here's some pork chop. Cook. Okay. Close the door.
I just gonna go back. I'll climb over the tree.
Okay.
Climb the tree.
Give na the oak wood.
Climb the tree. Climb the
The-
tree. Climb the tree. You'll find me.
Don't worry. Then I will broke it. If you think so.
It's my favorite part. Is that all of them? Okay, I got 23 woods and I got a sapling.
Okay, I'm back and my little sister is back too.
Okay.
Say hi to the viewers.
What?
Ooh.
Can we make another
Watching.
episode of this one?
Sorry, I was clicking the crouching.
Here you go.
Oh, where is it?
It's wood.
Thank you.
Oh, guys, I have some bad news.
What
Oh
is
my
it?
god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I have bad news, guys.
Hey.
Okay, I'll come. I'll be right back. I will help you, Brad. Just
You can use this.
okay, never mind. I was just opening the door and just do nothing.
We have the door. Yay.
Okay, we don't still have the roof. I'm just gonna craft the roof.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh,
Build a roof, not craft. You cannot craft a roof in this.
No, crafting! You dum-dum. I see dum-dum. Yes, I see dum-dum. You see dum-dum. Because you're dumb. We can't make dum-dum because you're dumb. I am not crazy dumb. You are 90% dumb. I mean 99% dumb. Oh, you're 100% dumb. What did you say about my dumbness? So I have this thing. Wait, why do I have 2 stone swords? What? What? 2 stone swords? Oops. No, don't pick it up. There we go. I didn't pick it up. Whose cooked chicken is here? Oh my!
Don't scream.
Everybody keeps jump scaring me. Who's cooked chicken? I'm gonna put it
Give
there.
it to Gian.
Yan, in the chest. I'm still full.
Just give it. Just hold it.
Yan. Wait, where's brother Yan?
Over here. Building a roof.
I like your holding a lot. I like your holding a lot. Seriously, a lot. Okay, explore first or something bad happened. Or good. Or some diamond. Just kidding. Diamond is hard. Can find diamond.
We don't have even iron pick. We don't have a iron pickaxe to mine a diamond ore.
Okay, I heard some noisy. How do I escape? Okay, bye. Bye. I need to escape. Oh, do. Scare me. Do you have an apple? No. You did.
No, I have none.
No, I get some apple. Oh, we need some glass too, so we need sand.
Glass?
Glass.
I thought you said grass.
Do we have an enchanted one? Do we have a silk catch?
Wait.
Sorry for the quiet, guys. Yes,
My big sister called my little sister.
Oh shoot, I found coal on the sand. How amazing is that?
That isn't amazing. Oh my god. Why?
So I got 29
29 sand,
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 D.
clear. Aha. Gotcha.
Where does wolf lives? I guess on the spruce habitat? No, the Prozol biome. Prozol ground. Wait, found the cave! Looks extremely scary. I'm out of here. Oh, another phone. Haha. Gimme this. Give me right now. Hello? Oh my god, that looks so scary. I am not
Where
going
are you in the cave?
the cave. The freaking. Why did I dip? Why did I dig deep? So extremely scary. Okay, number 1 rule. Don't dig down.
Hello, chicken. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I need to hurry. Before the sun goes down. Oh my god, wrong. Okay, where's the slab? Back. Back. Ay, place. I mean place.
I like that rock a lot. Hey dear. Hello.
Oh my god.
Jen, give this to Jen, please. Okay.
It's not here. Oh.
I like your vibe. Okay.
Ti-
Cook this.
ti-
And cook this.
Why me? Oh,
Okay, I have coal, never mind.
here you do it.
One
It's
coal.
faster like this. Wait.
What? Come on! Wait, first up. Sand. Okay, grab the picking chest. Okay, I saw a skeleton. Let's go home.
We're in the home. We're already home.
You're outside.
Okay, there's a creeper. Close the door.
Okay. Like an eye. No. Oh,
Oopsie.
so we got here we come.
Can you give me some torch? Give me.
I have 2 crafting tables. Just put them. There we go.
Torch. In the chest.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Don't go out. There's a creeper.
Hello, the house.
some garbage in it.
Look at this. Look at Gian's hand.
Yeah, no.
I left the sword there.
Hold some sword if this do it to you. Hold the sword.
Okay.
Oh. It's mine, okay? I'm controlling Gian. Just stay there. Don't move. So this is the end of the first episode of Surf.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
This is the end of the first episode of Let's Play Survival. Survival Let's Play. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, Jen's not here. Sorry. He's
Bye.